In this lecture, we can see 3.1 geometry toolkit and difficulty level is hard here. The first question, so Choice says that 8 centimeter square is same as 80 millimeter square. So what he is saying here is 8 centimeter square is equal to 80 millimeter square. So this is what he is saying. So explain why he is wrong, that we have to find. So the answer is wrong, they have given the answer is wrong, we have to find why it is wrong. So now we have to go the conversion part. So you know this, last class we have discussed 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter millimeter, right? So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now here centimeter square is there, so 1 centimeter square will be equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter and this is also 10 millimeter. So which means 10 into 10 100, so 100 millimeter square. So which means we have the conversion part now. So the conversion part here we have is 1 centimeter square is equal to 100 millimeter square. This is what we have. So here they are asking to calculate 8 centimeter square. So 8 centimeter square will be equal to, see here this side if I multiply with 8, here also I had to multiply with 8. So which means it is 8 into 100, 800 millimeter square. So 800 millimeter square is the correct answer and 80 they have given, this is wrong. Okay, so this is the explanation for the first part. Now coming to the second question. The lake behind a dam is there. So the lake behind a dam has an area of 55 hectares. So hectare is nothing but 10 power 4 millimeter square. So this is also they have given. The base area they have given. The base area, suppose this is hectare, this area, entire area, this is the base we have, base of a dam. So this is 10 power 4 meter square. So this is given in the question. So now when the gates in the dam are open, water flows at a rate of 75,000 liters per second. In 1 second 75,000 liters of water is coming out. So show that 90 million liters of water flows out in 20 minutes. See here, in 1 second 75,000 liters of water is coming, which means in 20 minutes how many seconds we have, that we have to calculate. And we know this 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, which means here we have 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes how many seconds will be there? So I have to multiply with 20, both sides I have to multiply with 20. So 20 into 60 seconds. So it will be 1200 seconds will be there in 20 minutes. So in 1 minute if it is 75,000 liters, in 1200 seconds, so it will be 75,000 into 1200 liters of water will be there. So now if you calculate this with calculator, so you will get this as 75,000 into 1200. So it is 9 0 3 zeros, again 3 zeros. So liters, this much liters we have. And million is what? 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. 1 million is what? 10 lakhs. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So which means 90 lakhs we have. So 90 lakhs is same as, not 90, 900 lakhs we have. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 900 lakhs. So 900 lakhs is same as 90 million, because 1 million is 10 lakhs. So here if you multiply with 90, so 90 into 10, 900 lakhs will be equal to 90 million. So answer is 90 million. So the second part, So the surface, the lake has vertical sides. Okay, so the lake has vertical sides. Calculate the drop of water in the water level. They are asking the water level in the dam, so of the lake, when the gates are open for 20 minutes. See here, I'll take like this. This is the dam we have, and here you have on top the door. You can imagine this as some door. So from this only water is flowing like this. So now it is flowing for 20 minutes, and the base area, they have already given the base area as 55 hectares, area of the base. This base part, the area of this base part is what? 55 hectares. 55 hectares. And they have given 1 hectare is what? 10 power 4 meter square. 10 power 4 meter square means if you have to calculate in terms of meter square, so area will be area of base of lake. This will be equal to 55 hectares. 1 hectare is 10 power 4 means 55 hectares will be equal to 55 into 10 power 4 meter square. So now you can use the calculator for this 55. Then we have to write some 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. This much meter square is there for the area of base of a lake. So 55 hectares. 55 hectares is same as 55 into 10 power 4 meter square. See here, if it is open for 20 minutes, so in the first part we just found the volume. If it is open for 20 minutes, so volume is what? 90 million. So 90 million is same as what? 900 lakhs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This much liter, this much meter cube we have. This much liters we have. This is the volume we have. And the same volume here also it will be there, because we are opening 20 minutes here also in the second subdivision. So which means the volume will be still here same. So volume is what? Area of base, whatever we have, into height. See here how area of rectangle is length into breadth. We have to take this length. This length we have to move b times, so only it is L into b, area. So like this, first I am taking the base area. This base area I have to move h times, that will be my volume. So here area of base is given as 5540 meter square, and into height, that we have to find. So height we have to find. This much meter cube will be there. Now here this is in liters. I cannot write the same thing here. This is in liters. I have to convert this liters to meter cube, because here also meter cube is there. If it is of the same unit, then only we can able to divide. So here they have given the conversion part also. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. In 1 meter cube volume, 1 meter cube is volume, in that we can have 1000 liters. So which means in 1 liter, 1 liter means what I have to do? I have to divide by 1000 both sides. So if I divide by 1000, so this 1000 and 1000 will get cancelled. 1 liter will be equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. 1 liter is what? 1 by 1000 meter cube. So this I will just reduce. So now what I have to do here is this, if I have to convert this to meter cube, I have to divide by 1000. Divide by 1000 is same as this 0 I have to take, this 0 I have to take, this 0 I have to take. So which means the answer will be 9000, 4 zeros we will have. Okay, so I have to divide by 1000 if I have to convert meter cube to liter. So this is the conversion part we have here. So which means now height will be equal to height will be equal to, this will come here in denominator, I have to divide. So 90,000, 1 2 3 4 4 zeros, yes, divided by 5 5, and here also 4 zeros. So now I can cancel this and this and this. So it is 9 by 55 will be there. So you can use calculator for this. So it will be equal to 0.1636. okay, meter. So H unit is what? Meter. So but in the final answer they are asking in centimeter, not in meter, and you know very well 1 meter is what? 100 centimeter. So which means this much meter is there, which is 0.1636. 0.1636 meter will be equal to 0.1636 into 100. So this point will come here 2 times, so it will be 16.36. if I round off this, so it will be 16.4. so you can use calculator for this also to multiply into 100. 0.1636 into 100. so this much centimeter will be there, because they are asking in centimeter. The final answer will be 16.4. okay, next one. So now in question number 3, here is a cube with edge x centimeter. Cube means all lengths are equal, all sides are equal. This is x, this is also x, this is also x, everything is x, cube. So one diagonal is shown, this is one diagonal we have. So the total length in centimeter of the edges of a cube. Edges means how many edges we have? 1 2 3 4, and here this will be 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10, this is 11, and here you have 12. So you will not count this is diagonal, this is not the edge. okay, so 12 edges we have in a cube, we have 12 edges in a cube. okay, fine. So the total length, which means x plus x plus x 12 times, because 12 edges we have, just you have to count this everything, x x x x x x x. So everything you have to count. So if you count everything, it will be equal to 12 times x. So the total length in centimeters, this is also in centimeter only, of edges of a cube is multiple of 8, they are telling. So multiple of 8 means it can be 18 into 1 like this. 12x, it can be multiple of 18 into 2 like this. 12x equal to 18 into 3. Multiple of 18 means what? 18 tables. okay, so it will be in 18 tables, they are telling like this. Suppose if I equate this one, 12x equal to 18, what is the value of x? X will be equal to 18 by 12. So 18 by 12 is what? So 18 by 12, so 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 3 by 2 1.5. So x is what? 1.5 I got, if it is multiple of 18. Second this if I equate, see after getting 1.5 you cannot circle this, they are asking circle the correct statement. X is a whole number, x is not a whole number. After seeing this x is not a whole number, you should not circle this. okay, we have to check for the second one also. So 12x equal to 18 into 2 36. So 18 into 2 36 we got. From here x will be equal to 36 by 12. 12 ones are 12, 3s are 36, which means x is equal to 3. This is what? Whole number. This is whole number. And here x equal to 1.5 I got. This is not a whole number, which means it can be whole number or might be. So third option will be the correct. X might be a whole number. First time after equating I got one answer which is 1.5, which is not a whole number. Second time 12x equal to 18 into 2. So in this time I got x equal to 3, which is a whole number. I cannot round the first one because it is wrong, because here it is not whole number. I cannot round the second one because here I am getting a whole number. So third option will be the correct answer. Fourth one. The cross section of a prism has n sides. Circle the expression of the number of edges of the prism. See here, while discussing the easy part of this geometry, so we have discussed number of edges of a prism. So what is the number of edges? I'll just copy this. So this just I copied from the easy part. This is for prism and this is for pyramid. Okay, so circle the expression prism. In general, I have written this there. So vertex will be equal to 2 times n, edges is what? 3n. So circle the expression of the number of edges of the prism. Prism edges 3n, that's all over. So you have to remember this. Okay, this I have explained in easy part. Okay, and I will just tell what is cross section. Cross section is nothing but is the shape made by cutting straight across an object. So like this, if you cut whatever intersecting part here you have, this is the cross section view. This is the cross section. Okay, now coming to the fifth one. So fourth one answer is 3n. Just with this table I have explained this. Okay, so question number 5. A square has an area of 0.25 square meters. See here, one square is there which has an area 0.25. See here, square means all sides are equal. So if this is A, this is also A. So area of square is what? Area of square. This is A square. So this A square they have given 0.25. So which means A will be equal to square root of 0.25. A's length, A cannot be negative. So square root of 0.25 is what? 0.5. It is in meter square. Square meter means meter square. It is in meter square. After taking square root, it will be in meter. So circle the length in centimeter. This length A only I have to find, but in centimeter. Okay, of one side of a square. See here, this meter I have to convert this to centimeter, and we know the conversion. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 0.5 meter we have, so which means 0.5 into 100. You can use calculator. So 0.5 into 100 is what? So it will be just 50 centimeter. So 50 centimeter here we have to just circle this. This is the final answer. Now question number 6. So circle the volume that is same as 15 centimeter cube. See here, everything is in millimeter cube, millimeter cube, millimeter cube. Which means what I have to do here is I have to convert this 15 centimeter cube to millimeter cube. Okay, so we know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter cube means what? It is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So which means this 1 centimeter is what? 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter. So 10 into 10 into 10. So which is 1000. So 1000 millimeter cube. Millimeter into millimeter into millimeter. So 1 centimeter cube equal to 1000 millimeter cube. So this is the conversion part we have. So here they are asking us to convert 15 centimeter cube. So 15 centimeter cube means here I have to multiply with 15 in LHS, as well as I have to, if I multiply in LHS, I have to multiply in RHS also. So 15 centimeter cube will be equal to 15 into 1000 millimeter cube. So 15 into 1000 is what? 15,000 millimeter cube. So which means circle the volume that is same as 15 centimeter cube is this volume will be the answer. The first one. This is the final answer. I think we have completed this 3.1.